Hey guys, Yana Speaks here, and in this video, I'm doing a weekly love reading. Now, I want to start off by saying that, all of these readings may be general, so it may or may not resonate with you because not all of the subscribers on, my email list, on my YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you guys may not all be going through the same exact thing. So, keep that in mind, right? So, let's get started. So, let's ask Spirit, what is your overall energy this week? For the collectors, what is their overall energy? What is their overall energy? Okay, so your overall energy is very heavy this week. I'm gonna be real with you guys. So your overall energy is, if I could pick up the damn card, your overall energy is the Four of Swords. So you guys are taking a break right now, okay? You're resting, you're not making any moves. You may be in this energy of like, I don't know if I should make a decision right now. You're just taking a break, right? And sometimes it's good to just take a break, because if you don't take a break, you can make a decision, especially a permanent decision that's going to affect, your love life, and you may regret it. So a lot of times it's really good to just take a break, rest, and get your mind right. And I feel like you want to take this break because we have the Ten of Swords here. So you are feeling betrayed by the person that you've been dealing with romantically. Now, it seems like this betrayal that you have experienced from this person, not only do you feel betrayed, but it's like you feel backstabbed by this person. And if you look at this picture, she's like on the floor, right? She has all these swords on her back, and the person who betrayed her just ran off. Okay? And that's how you feel. So it could be like this person betrayed you, did you dirty, did you wrong, and instead of them giving like an explanation, they just like kind of took off. So it could be that you guys are on a break with this person because it may have been their decision to take the break. Okay? It may have been like you didn't even get an explanation. It's like they did whatever they did to you, and then they're just out. As you can see, this person right here, they're gone. They're running off. While this person's just laying on the floor, all these swords in their back, and they're just betrayed. You know what I'm saying? And it's like they're reaching out for this broom to help them, but it's out of reach. And I feel like that's how you feel. So I feel like you may also be feeling betrayed by this person, backstabbed by this person, and you may be feeling really backstabbed by them because you can't reach them. So like I said, this break could be their decision and not yours. Okay, just going a little deeper. Okay, I also feel like you feel betrayed and backstabbed by this person because you do view this person as a soulmate. This is someone that you feel like you guys are very compatible. You feel like you guys have a very strong bond. So when you feel this strongly about someone and then they betray you in this way, it hurts more. Okay, because like I said, you view this person as a soulmate. You feel like the divine brought you this person, right? This may be someone that you felt like, you could have married, that you could have been with long term. And now you're just like, I really don't know now, especially with the holidays coming around, it could just really have you thinking like, is this someone that I could be with long term? Like, they did me so dirty. Is it possible for us to fix this and repair this? At this point, you really do not know. That's just really interesting and unfortunate, okay? Another thing I'm also seeing here, if I can pick up the cards, another thing I'm seeing here is like, okay, my apologies. I have too much memory on my phone, so it cut off, right? So what I was saying earlier is like, although you are on a break from this person and you're not really making a decision whether or not you're going to just like be done with this. I feel like you are more heading towards moving on though. So that's why I was talking about, like, me feeling like this person betrayed you, did you wrong, and you guys are on break, and it may not be a break that you wanted to take. It may be a break that they decide to take, not because they are done with you, but because it's their way to not face what they did. It's like a defense mechanism. So it's like someone who gets caught doing something, and instead of them like facing what they did and living up to it, it's like they choose to run away. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like at this point now you're like, well, maybe I should just move on. And I don't feel like you're happy about it, but you feel like that's what you should do. Okay? I also feel like you're hoping for things to shift in a better direction. So it could be like you feeling like, you know what, if I move on from this person, things like some big changes will take place for the better. Like you're hopeful that that will happen. You're hopeful that like karma will work in your favor by you moving on, if that makes sense. I also feel like what you're experiencing with this person is a karmic lesson. And it could be a karmic lesson of needing to put yourself first, needing to love on yourself, needing to nurture yourself, needing to love yourself more than you love this person. I feel like you are a very loving and nurturing person. You may have a very like motherly energy. And because you have this very nurturing and motherly energy, you put this person and other people before yourself. And that's why you're so heartbroken, because you're like, I've extended myself to this person. I've given them everything. I've loved on this person. How could they do this to me? So, I'm going to take a little bit deeper though. So we had the moon here. So some type of secret was being kept from you. Okay? I'm going to ask Spirit what that secret was. What was the secret that their person was keeping from them? What was the secret? Could have been possibly another woman. Yeah, I feel like it could. I've seen a couple of things. It could have possibly been another woman. It could have also been that this person was keeping the fact that they had their own alternative motives when it came to you. Like this person may have found you to be very resourceful, very helpful, very giving. They might have felt like, you know, they could manifest with you. So like maybe they felt like you had resources that they didn't have. So I don't want to say used you, but that's kind of what it is. It was for their own gain. It's this energy of like, what can they do for me? How can this person make me better? That's what I'm seeing here. I feel like this person also has other options, other people that they're interested in, other suitors. So I'm kind of seeing a mixture of things, honestly. So it could be another woman. Okay. It could be them using you in some type of way. And just the fact that they have other suitors. And it looks like they were exploring these other suitors as well. So I just want to see what this person's overall energy is towards you. I want to know what their feelings are. So please tell me, what is this person's feelings towards my subscribers? What is this person's feelings towards my subscribers? What is this person's... Okay. 10 of Wands, and that flew right out. Seven of Wands as well. So we have 10 of Wands and the 7 of Wands. Very heavy energy. The Magician popped out again. The 9 of Pentacles. Okay, so this person that you're dealing with is a fuck boy. Fuck boy, fuck boy. I hate fuck boys, seriously. I cannot stand them. Like, if I could literally take fire and burn them, I would. I hate fuck boys. I just do. And I hate fuck girls too, because fuck girls make it bad for women like you and I who are decent people. Anyways, let me get back to the reading. So this is showing me that this person views this connection between you two as a burden. They view this connection as something that is just something they don't want to deal with. Okay? Something that they feel like it doesn't make them better. I feel like this person did have their own motives when it came to getting involved with you. It was for their own resources. So like I said, you probably are a very resourceful person, someone who has a lot to offer. It could be very much so for their own materialistic gain. So it could be financially. Maybe you had connections to people. Maybe you just were very giving. Maybe you give them a place to stay, things like that. But it was for their own motives. And that's why they always had this guard up with you. You may have felt like you could never really break down this wall that they had in between the both of you. So you may have felt like you were giving yourself to this person. This person was being very closed off. And it's because they had their wall off. They had their wall up. They were very defensive. So this person, I feel, was trying to use you. I'm just going to be honest on what I'm seeing. I feel like this person doesn't want to be in a relationship, okay? They want to do their own thing. This person doesn't feel like they need to be in a relationship when it comes to you. This person feels like they're better off doing their own thing and being single and doing them, and they feel like they don't need nobody. They feel independent on their own. It could also be that once you help them out, now they feel like, well, I'm on my feet, I got my stuff together, I got what I want, so I don't really care about this anymore. I'm gonna be honest with you though, I do feel like they are talking to someone new. I feel like there's someone that they may have just recently met that has sparked some interest in them, okay? And I feel like they are pursuing this other person, and I feel like they're kind of like sweet talking this person. They're being like very seductive. I feel like this is the type of person that knows what to say to get what they want, and I feel like this is what they did with you as well. So to be honest, this was just for their own gain. And I feel like the truth came out through you doing some type of digging. I feel like your intuition was telling you that something wasn't right with them. Okay? I feel like this person is acknowledging that they felt intuitively that you were catching on to their BS. And I feel like that's why everything is changing so quickly between you and this person. So this is what I'm saying. I feel like you caught them doing whatever through you, some type of investigation you was doing. I also feel like this person's feelings towards you is like, it could be that they don't quite trust you either. And I feel like they may not quite trust you because they never allow themselves to really get to know you on a deep emotional level. So it could be that you were like very loving, very nice, and to them it made them have their guard up because they may have felt like there's no way someone is as nice as this. It could be like this energy of feeling like although you guys have spent time together, they still don't quite know everything about you. Okay, so this, I feel, is this is their way of justifying what they did, just being honest. Okay, and I feel like this person, this is what I'm seeing, honestly, to be real with you guys, right? I feel like this person was keeping secrets from you, but I feel like this person felt like you were keeping secrets from them too. Okay, maybe saying, well, how could they think that? I think that this person has their own like mental illness that they're dealing with, or they may have had like bad past experiences with women or men or whatever, and it kind of makes them not trust people, and that's one of the reasons why they have their guard up. So to them it's like, well, I'd rather just use people than really let down my guard. So I just feel like this person doesn't trust you either. They feel like you do keep secrets from them. They feel like you're not being 100% honest with them, and that's their excuse for why they did what they did. I also feel like this person may have felt like things between you and them moved too fast, and it could have possibly scared them. But I just really feel like this is their way of justifying their fuck boy and fuck girl actions. Instead of just being like, I did this to you because I'm a piece of shit, this is what they're doing to justify their actions. All right, so that's the messages I have for you guys this week. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please go ahead and share this video with someone else. You may know someone who's currently going through this week. If you'd like to book a private reading with me, all the information to do that is in the description below. And once again, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.